CPI really puts a lot of effort and time into maintaining reliability into our supply base, whether it's a raw material supply position, external manufacturing partner, or our own internal manufacturing capabilities. Our good partners in research and product management, the commercial sales teams, are delivering the solutions. We're delivering peace of mind and a robust supply chain. We need to make sure that a solution works in the equipment that they've made, but also it's the right product at the right price, delivered on time, every time. There is a system in place, and CPI is well positioned within that system. CPI is a subsidiary of the Lubrizol Corporation. The Lubrizol Corporation already has supply chains established in several of these technologies, these alternate base stocks, that'll serve the low GWP future. And because of that strength behind CPI, we are confident that the supply chain is robust already today to serve tomorrow's needs. CPI is well positioned in the industry because of our global scale. We have manufacturing and logistics capability on every continent and the ability to serve every product line on every continent. We are prepared to be your partner no matter where you operate or where you need the product. So the future is unknown at this point, and part of this journey that we're on together is we are a partner and a navigation partner. We will have the suite of capabilities, whether it's the product, the formulation, the marketing, the packaging, or the ultimate story that you need to tell your customers. We have every piece of it to deliver you a turnkey solution. Nobody knows what the future will hold. What we're saying is that CPI has many different paths to get you there, and we're willing to work with you to find your solution for your customer.